Your laptop screen is probably destroying your posture right now. But let me tell you, you don't need to spend a fortune to fix it. Laptop stands have become game changers for remote workers, and the market is packed with options. And today, we're breaking down the top 5 best laptop stands that actually make a difference. And yeah, all the links are waiting in the description. Let's head right in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the SOUNDANCE LS1 laptop stand. This one is a crowd pleaser for a reason, and I think it's the perfect entry point if you're looking for a great stand without a big investment. First off, it's built from thickened aluminum alloy, which means you're getting something that won't wobble around when you're typing. The construction feels sturdy, and they've added anti-slip rubber feet and pads to keep everything stable on your desk. The ergonomics are pretty straightforward. This stand raises your laptop screen by 6 inches, bringing it closer to eye level. That's going to help with your posture during those long work sessions. You know how your neck starts aching after hours of looking down at your laptop. This addresses that problem directly. What I find practical is the open frame design. It allows air to circulate underneath your laptop, which helps prevent overheating. That's especially useful if you're running demanding applications or working in warmer environments. But the portability factor is where this stand really shines. It breaks down into 3 parts without needing any tools. You can pack it up and reassemble it wherever you're working. For remote workers or people who move between different workspaces, that's a game changer. Compatibility covers laptops from 10 to 15.6 inches, though it won't work with larger 15 to 17.3-inch Surface Book models. Yet, the stand creates extra space underneath for your keyboard, mouse, or storage, helping keep your workspace organized. Thousands of users consistently praise its sturdiness and ergonomic benefits, and the consensus seems to be that it delivers excellent value at its price point. Next up, at number 4, we have the ElfAnt Adjustable Portable Laptop Stand. This one takes the concept of a stand and adds a whole new level of flexibility. Here's the thing that really sets it apart: the adjustability. It has an impressive range with 9+6 different height settings. That means you can position your screen anywhere from around 2.75 inches off your desk all the way up to 12.6 inches. It's a huge difference, allowing you to find that perfect ergonomic spot whether you're sitting or even standing. It's built from a lightweight aluminum, so it's sturdy without being heavy. Plus, it's covered in silicone pads to make sure your laptop stays put and doesn't get scratched. And its compatibility is fantastic. It handles laptops and tablets from 10 inches to 17 inches. That means MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, Google Pixelbook, HP, Dell, Lenovo, Samsung, and even iPads. But the cleverest part? It's incredibly portable. The whole thing folds down completely flat, so you can easily slide it into a backpack. This makes it a great companion for anyone who works from different places, like an office, home, or even a coffee shop. Its combination of serious adjustability and easy portability is what makes it a standout choice and a worthy contender on our list. Now we're getting into the premium territory with the Rain Design mStand at number 3. If you value design and a premium feel, you're going to want to pay close attention to this one. The stand is carved from a single piece of sandblasted aluminum. What I mean is, there are no joints, no assembly required, no weak points. Just one solid piece of metal with a silver anodized finish that matches Apple's design language perfectly. From an ergonomic standpoint, it lifts your laptop screen about 5.9 inches. This is that ideal height for maintaining good posture and avoiding strain on your neck and shoulders during long work sessions. But here's where it gets clever. The aluminum doesn't just hold your laptop. It actually acts as a heat sink. Think about it this way. Your laptop generates heat, and that aluminum pulls that heat away from your machine without any moving parts. That sure is a simple yet effective way to manage performance. Now, compatibility is more specific here. It's designed for MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and other laptops with depths under 10.4 inches. That covers most 13 to 15-inch notebooks, but you'll want to check your laptop's dimensions first. The mStand also has some great features for keeping your desk tidy. There's a cable management hole in the back to route your wires cleanly, and you get a good amount of space underneath to tuck away your keyboard and mouse when you're done for the day. Sure, it's not portable in the traditional sense. You're not folding this up and taking it on trips, but for a semi-permanent workstation, the solid construction and matching aesthetics make it a visual upgrade to any setup. Coming in at our number 2 spot is the Tounee Telescopic Laptop Stand. This one is a real game changer if you're serious about building a truly ergonomic setup. The main story here is the incredible height range. It has a telescopic arm that adjusts from a low 2.1 inches all the way up to an impressive 21 inches. What that means is you can go from sitting to standing without requiring a whole new desk. It's a versatile solution that adapts to however you want to work, and the adjustment is surprisingly seamless. But here's what really sets this apart: the 360-degree swivel base. Think about it this way. You're in a meeting, someone needs to see your screen. You just rotate it toward them. No lifting, no repositioning, just smooth rotation. That makes it perfect for collaborative work and video calls where you need to share your screen with others. Now, let's talk about build quality, because this thing is seriously robust. It's crafted from a high-grade aluminum alloy and weighs almost 4 pounds. That weight is a feature, not a flaw. It's why the stand can support up to 22 pounds without breaking a sweat. Users consistently mention how it doesn't collapse or drift, even with heavy 17-inch laptops on it. Device compatibility is comprehensive too. It handles all laptops from 10 inches to 17 inches, including MacBook Pro, HP, Dell, Lenovo, and Ultrabooks. The aluminum chassis acts as a passive heatsink, just like our previous option, but with even more surface area for cooling. Now, portability is where this gets interesting. Despite that substantial build, it folds down compact enough to fit in most backpacks. That makes it viable for hybrid professionals who split time between office and home. Considering the weight, though, it's not really the one you'd toss in a bag for a quick trip to a cafe. But if you want maximum flexibility, the ability to stand, and unmatched stability, the Tounee is definitely the one to pick. And now, we've arrived at our #1 spot. This is the one that brings everything together in a remarkable package. Our top pick is the Roost laptop stand. So what makes it the best? It really comes down to a perfect balance of portability, strength, and ergonomics. The first thing that will surprise you is its weight. It comes in at just 5.8 ounces. That's lighter than most smartphones, yet it supports all laptop weights. How? Well, they've built it from reinforced nylon and rubber with patented pivot grips that hold your laptop securely. Its whole design is centered around portability. It collapses down into a small, compact shape that fits into an included sleeve. For digital nomads, frequent travelers, or anyone working from multiple locations, this is a huge advantage. But here's where it truly excels. The Roost offers 7 different height settings, raising your laptop screen anywhere from 6 to 14 inches. This massive range allows you to find the perfect eye-level position, which is the key to good posture and comfort. The cable management includes a 2-inch pass-through hole on the back. Your charging and display cords stay organized and out of sight. It doesn't swivel like our #2 pick, but the adjustability covers seated and standing arrangements without issue. Now, you might be wondering, how can something so light be so stable? Well, it uses patented pivot grips that securely hold your laptop in place. It's designed to handle everything from ultralight notebooks to heavy 16-inch MacBook Pros without wobbling. It is a premium choice, no doubt, but if you're looking for a stand that delivers professional-grade ergonomics without weighing you down, the Roost is widely considered the best you can get. Thanks for sticking around. For more content like this, hit that subscribe button on our channel. Click the bell icon too, so you'll get notified every time we drop a new video at FlexiViews.